Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all of you, especially those who have been following my channel for so long and have been sending me those messages, beautiful messages to motivate me. And those who are new to my channel, just want to tell them that I create educational videos with my 5-year-old. I've been doing this for a couple of years now, and I share my learnings, my methods of teaching my little one on how to make learning fun. So in this video specifically, I'm going to talk to you about our summer vacation routine, and how we are creating a daily work tracker for this month and going forward. So this is something that we have created. I call it Abir's activity tree. I have creatively named it that way. It's a daily activity tracker, as the name suggests. I'll show you how it functions, how to make it, and how you can also create your own activity tree using these ideas, and make your summer holidays more productive with your little ones, and making them revise their concepts during the off days of school. So basically, I have selected 6 core subjects that I want to cover each day, which are reading, writing, math, music or art, because Abhi has been learning art for quite some time now. Music, because he is a musician. We are like, it's a family of musicians, so we want him to learn music. He has been learning music. Read aloud, where we cover most of our topics which we don't want to go too deep into, and just want to make it like a listening and storytelling kind of a session. This covers wide variety of subjects like geography or history, or even subjects like science. So we read aloud. I read aloud some of the books which explain him difficult concepts in fun and easier way to understand for the child. Then GK covers most of the things which are around the general awareness that a child of his age should know. And so these are the 6 subjects that I have designed or selected for this month. And these are the days of the week. Basically, it's a calendar, and there is a white sheet of paper I've pasted here, so that against I can put a tick mark against each day once the activities are done. So now I'll tell you how it goes. I'll also show you the left hand side of this. Apart from these core subjects, I have also picked languages. So in our country, as we all know, most of the kids are multilingual or bilingual. So we are Bengalis, we speak Bengali. So I make it a point to teach basics of Bengali to Abir at home. Apart from that, he has started learning Hindi because it's an official language in most of the states in India. And he has been learning Spanish for the past 2 years. So I just wanted to include that as well for 2 days, since it requires a little bit of attention, because we do not speak Spanish at home. So we have put 2 days of Spanish during Wednesdays and Thursdays, and during the weekends, when it's a little more relaxed and the workload is lesser and we have plans to go out and all, we have kept Hindi and Bengali, which we do very casually at home. Now I'll tell you how it works. Once the child completes each of this subject, like once he is done with reading for the day, he'll pick one apple from here and paste it on the reading. Similarly, for writing, what I have done is I have just put some velcros over here to make it adhesive. Math, similarly for the other subjects. And once the entire day's work is done, I put a tick mark. If all the 6 categories are done, I'll put 6 tick marks against the particular day. And towards the end of the week, if most of the subjects are covered, if most of the work has been done as allocated, I allocate the work a day prior, like one day in advance. I plan all the activities for him, and the next day he gets his basket. I'll probably make a separate video on how we actually do this kind of work. While I'm working, I'm busy with my work, Abir finishes off his work for the day. And I think this kind of practice makes the child extremely independent, and gives them a sense of ownership about their own work, and also teaches them how to finish a particular task in the given time. So the concept of deadline is also introduced at a very early age, because I feel these are qualities that should be inculcated in a child right from the very early age. So we have been following this and we have got tremendous results. So that's how we operate, and once we see that most of the work has been done by the end of this week, he gets a special reward towards the end of the week, towards during the weekend. So either we go to a library or to a nature park or to a theme park or something like that, or maybe some physical exercise, outdoor exercise, or nature themed exercise which he loves doing, like feeding the fishes and all of that we do. So that comes to him as a reward. So the child looks forward to getting that kind of reward, and it gives him a feeling of, as if he has earned that reward by doing his task. So the child looks forward to that, and it gives them opportunity to go out, be in the nature, be outside, and socialize more instead of sitting in front of screens. So that's how we are planning it for this summer, and we are going to continue with this model, with this program for the rest of the year as well. I'll keep posting more videos around how we actually do these activities at home. I'm also there on Instagram as Appy Mommy. You can follow me there as well. I kind of upload, I post my regular activities with Abir over there. You can check that out as well. And if not done already, please do subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hit the bell icon and just get notified about the upcoming videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.